Hey there fellas, what's up and welcome to this new video. So in today's video we'll be seeing how to cash out from Cash App. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I will recommend as always to subscribe to this channel to never miss any trending content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we'll start right after the intro. Okay, so before we head on to the Cash App steps, I would like to give you more light on the different methods Cash App offers for withdrawals. So Cash App offers two methods to withdraw money from the platform. You have the instant deposit option and the standard withdrawal. So the instant deposit option, the instant withdrawal option, as the name predicts, is an option that lets you withdraw money from the platform within seconds or talk less of minutes, let's say a minute. So through this method you actually have to pay some fees, which actually ranges from 1.75 to 2 point something, depending on the amount you are withdrawing from the platform. And the free or standard withdrawal option actually lets you withdraw money for free from Cash App without having to pay any fee. Yes, the inconvenience with this one is that it takes longer time than the instant deposit, and it usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Okay, so now you are aware of the different withdrawal options. Let's head on to the steps to withdraw money from Cash App. So the first thing you want to do is to open your Cash App and tap the banking tab just at the bottom corner of your Cash App's home screen, and then from there you press Cash Out and choose the amount or enter the amount you want to withdraw from the platform. Make sure you've already linked a debit card or a bank account to your Cash App. Okay, so before withdrawing money to Cash, if you are looking to withdraw money from Cash App through the instant withdrawal option, you have to link a supported debit card to the platform. So this debit card should be able to support instant withdrawals from payment services like Cash App. If the debit card does not support instant withdrawals, then the withdrawal is going to be declined by the card issuer. Okay, let's continue with our steps. So to withdraw money from Cash App, you just tap on the bottom corner, the banking tab at the bottom corner, select Cash Out from the top right, and then from there you should enter the amount you want to withdraw. Select your deposit speed and confirm your withdrawal with your PIN. That's it. It is as easy as that. Withdrawing money from Cash App is actually easy as that. So if you weren't successful with this, then I would recommend you contact Cash App support, though they might not actually be quick in responding to actually help you in resolving your issue. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. So guys, we'll see you in the next video.